This video will show you how to download the SARS MobiApp on your mobile device. The SARS MobiApp is a mobile application that taxpayers can install on their mobile devices that include Android version 5 or higher, iOS version 10 or higher operating systems, or the Huawei App Gallery. Using iOS-powered device, open the App Store by tapping the App Store icon displayed on your device. Using an Android-powered device, open the Google Play Store by tapping the Google Play icon displayed on your device. Using Huawei-powered device, open the Huawei App Gallery by tapping the Huawei icon displayed on your device. On the search field, type SARS Mobile e-filing to begin your download. Click Install and it will download the app. Click Open once the application is installed. Read and accept the terms and conditions by tapping Yes, I accept. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the SARS MobiApp.